We are surrounded by magnetic fields which are covering the natural magnetic field. So we have a loss of natural energy. With a result, we are becoming sick. Tesla has developed a special coil. We in the electronic area, we are producing cylinder coils. And Tesla developed a coil which is like a pancake. And a lot of secret things happens with this Tesla coil, also in the medical area.
My final destination was to visit the inventor of the Neural Sync Alpha device. He lived and worked in a home that looked like a science fiction movie set. I was asked to leave my cell phone in the car. Aliens provide reading material, and Nefertiti shows the way in. Crystals absorb radiation. Dieter Jossner teaches Tesla's medicine to doctors. So I'll just let him explain it to you.
Medical electronics is targeting on the special photon communication of the cells. That is the main target, but all these other kinds of energy which are available in the nature, we use this as well. Electrical fields, magnetic fields, also sound or electrical vibration. Everything which is caused by the force of nature, we use in different ways to produce instruments. Tesla has developed a special coil. We in the electronic area, we are producing cylinder coils. And Tesla developed a coil which is like a pancake. And this coil has totally different physical and electronical systems compared to the cylinder coil. And a lot of secret things happens with this Tesla coil, also in the medical area. The Tesla coil is producing a very special wave, which we call longitudinal waves, which are producing medical reactions on the body. This instrument is able to repair water, to give water the energy that the water behaves completely like fresh spring water. Therefore, we have a magnet here in. This magnet, I take it out to show you. This magnet is producing the vortex. The first is we switch on the magnetic field, which is modulated with a frequency which we call Schumann frequency. Modulated light and this magnet field together is repairing the water immediately. This instrument is not producing just only light. This light is vibrating with the frequency of the sun. So natural light. This here is a magnetic coil. We use additionally to this instrument, there are two sockets which are available for some instrument as well. Then we see this light is moving with the same frequency of the laser here. So it's enough to move it around the neck here. The range, the physical range of this coil is good enough for the whole body, for everywhere where we are. And this additionally help of this magnetic coil, that is especially wavelengths and the special vibration to improve the function of the lymph system. Now we know that our hand, especially the hand inside, we are through passing all meridians, all important meridians of the acupuncture points are through passing the inside of the hand. The hand always behaves like an antenna for biological energy. Maybe you know that all these healers are using their hands to to give energy. They're holding their hands around the patients, they're holding the hands in the sun, in the light. So these hands are the body is using the hand like an antenna. And if you give the body the information via this antenna, you can take remedies or frequencies, whatever. It directly goes to the body via this modulated light. The sun is producing very wide spectrum of radiations and frequencies. The result of the electrical field of the sun is a magnetic field on our Earth. This Earth magnetic field is produced by the electrical radiation of the sun and the rotation of the Earth in this electrical field. This producing a statical and also a dynamical magnetic field. And by the vibration of the ionosphere and the atmosphere and the rotation of the sun, it's producing a special frequency. We call it Schumann frequency. This is a very, very important frequency for our brain. As long as the Schumann frequency is there, our brain says, okay, everything is good. Because of the modern day of electronics, we are surrounded by magnetic fields which are covering the natural magnetic field. So we have a loss of natural energy. With the result, we are becoming sick. The most interesting way to help nature without disturbance is to do it with the nature, to help people when people become sick.
Dieter Jossner, I really highly respect this man. He's a very different man. He's a real genius, and he totally practices what he preaches. If we're going to survive as a civilization and go into outer space, we're going to have to figure a way to bring these photons and these electrons into our body. Thank you very much for coming out.